Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th physical science chapter number 6, structure of atoms. So actually in our physics textbook this is our chapter 6, but actually this is a chemistry chapter, so that's why see it is already written by, it is something typing mistake did it by my typer, so it is something different little bit, but it is related to our chapter only. This video is especially for the Andhra and Telangana. Okay, so here you can see this is everything is a fill in the blanks question here. So I hope you know this, you know about this one. So let's see this here. Okay, all right, so I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this paper. Everything is clear here. Then 18 to the 21 you can see easily here, nothing is in it. It's just a simple question they will ask you. Okay, then after you can see the answer sheet also. If you didn't see the answer sheet, you can see this one. And if you're looking for the previous year question paper, just click on the description, model paper, important question paper, everything link is present here. Otherwise go to our channel, click on the playlist and you can check out from there, right? So I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.